And we're back to learning Inkscape in year day 98. Let me show you how you can add a gradient to text. We'll just create a simple text. I use sans serif, the default font. And when I size it up and down our control, now I activate right here the gradient tool. It's set to linear gradient, the first option, and create gradient for the fill, the third option. So make sure that these are highlighted in the top menu, and then you can left click drag on your text to edit. I've explained the details of the gradient in the last couple of videos. The simple principle is we have color stops, and you can select them up here or simply left click on them on the gradient directly and then use the color swatches. By default, the second color stop will have transparency. That's this checkerboard design. We can get rid of it by just left clicking on a color swatch for it. You can also change the orientation of your gradient. Simply left click drag from top to bottom or diagonally. And if you want to add more colors, hover over your gradient line while the gradient tool is active. You can see the little plus sign on your cursor, and then you can double click to add a third color stop. You can still adjust your text. Just use the type tool, left click on it, press Ctrl A. You can type something else in, but keep in mind you have to readjust the gradient line a little bit to fit the size of the text. And I've also shown you in the last couple of videos, you can also go to Object, Fill and Stroke, and here are the color stops again. So you can change the colors if you want to, change the offset, so the position of these color stops. And if you want to make one of these colors transparent, for example the bluish one right here, just go to the alpha channel and turn it to 0. And this is how you can add gradient to text in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.